Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you shop like a pro. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning with two contenders, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. One might just make you feel like a cleaning superhero, while the other, well, let's just say it might not impress you as much. Let's kick things off with price. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop comes in at $164, while the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is more budget-friendly at $104. That's a difference of $60. Many reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Newbealer, stating it's a great value for its performance. However, users of the BISSELL suggest that its higher price is justified due to its cleaning efficiency and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for serious cleaners. Next up is cleaning power. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it feel like a spa day for your floors. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness, noting it heats up quickly and comes with versatile accessories. In contrast, Newbealer boasts a 1200W steamer that heats up in just 20 seconds, with temperatures reaching up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers mention it works well for basic cleaning, but some found it less effective on tougher stains compared to the BISSELL. Let's talk versatility. The BISSELL comes with an extension tube and an onboard storage kit, receiving praise from users for its ability to clean various surfaces, including floors, windows, and even spot-treating carpets. However, some users mention it can feel heavy after extended use. The Newbealer, on the other hand, is lauded for its detachable handheld cleaner and numerous attachments, making it great for cleaning windows and furniture. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, though some note it struggles with stability when standing. Now, let's discuss weight and ease of use. The BISSELL is bulkier, which can give you a bit of a workout while cleaning. Some users have noted that it can become heavy over time. In contrast, Newbealer is lightweight at just 3.96 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. Reviewers highlight its compact design, but some do mention that it feels less sturdy during use. Finally, we have cleaning time. BISSELL features a long 25 feet power cord, allowing you to reach every corner without the need for constant plugging and unplugging. This is a point of praise among users who enjoy its convenience. Meanwhile, Newbealer's 8.5 fluid ounces water tank provides 10 to 25 minutes of cleaning time, but several reviewers suggest that it may require frequent refills, especially for larger areas. In summary, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is highly praised for its cleaning power and versatility, though some users find it heavy and cumbersome over time. The Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is celebrated for its lightweight design and affordability, but it may lack the same level of effectiveness on tougher stains. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you when choosing. Thanks for joining us in this steamy showdown. Which product do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product comparisons that'll help you buy smart. And remember, product links are in the description. Catch you next time.